Hello students. In my previous video, I have already explained you how to calculate sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So with respect to these two calculations, I have already explained you two problems. I have already solved two problems on sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. First problem on Rima and Seema being the partners, and second problem on Preeta and Rita. I hope you have gone through this video. If you have not gone through this video, then please watch the first video and then you watch this current video. So in this video, I have add one new ratio over here. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio multiplied by share sacrificed by old partner. I will tell you when to apply this ratio. So I am just informing you all that I have added this new ratio which was not been added to the first video. So in this video I have added this new ratio of sacrifice ratio. Okay. Now under this, today we will again take two more problems on sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio with different methods. Okay. So this is problem number 3 on sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio, calculation of sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So first we will see what is given in the question to us. Rahul and Nihal are partners sharing profits and loss in the ratio 7:5. So what is this 7:5? First we will write all the information that is given to us in the question. So there are two partners, Rahul and Nihal. These are our old partners. Okay. So this is the old ratio of Rahul and Nihal, that is 7:5. This is the old ratio of old partners. Then what is given? They admit Sahil for 1/8 share which he obtains 1/12 from Rahul and 1/24 from Nihal. Now here what is given? Sahil is a new partner. So they admitted Sahil, to whom they are giving 1/8 share in future profits. So what is the share of a new partner? Share of new partner, that is Sahil, is 1/8. Then what is given? How Sahil is getting 1/8? He is getting this 1/8 because 1/12 is sacrificed by Rahul and 1/24 is sacrificed by Nihal. Okay. So share sacrificed by old partner, that is Rahul and Nihal. How much they are sacrificing? 1/12. 1/12 is sacrificed by Rahul and 1/24 is sacrificed by Nihal. So 1/12 is sacrificed by Rahul and 1/24 is sacrificed by Nihal, because of which Sahil is able to get 1/8. That is the meaning of this question. Now when these three informations are given, we need to see how we can apply the formulas and how we can calculate sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. Okay. Now in this question you need to focus. When like this you get a question, what they had given us, they admit Sahil for 1/8 share. This is the share of a new partner, right? Now this share he got from Rahul Okay, 1 upon 12 is surrendered by Rahul and 1 upon 24 is surrendered by Nihal. So whenever you get like this question and this from word is used soon after the fraction or soon after the ratio that is being sacrificed by Rahul and Nihal, by the old partners, whatever the sacrifice they are making after that particular fraction, if they use this word from, then whatever is your, I am writing it over here, if from word you get after this fraction, then you will take this directly as your sacrifice ratio. You don't need to calculate further as sacrifice ratio. This is your sacrifice ratio. Okay, so you don't need to calculate your sacrifice ratio, is already given. When it is already given? When you get from, when like this they give you how much it is sacrificed by old partners and they are using this word from soon after the fraction. Okay, in that case, that whatever the fraction that is given, that is your sacrifice ratio. You don't need to further calculate the sacrifice ratio again. Okay, now we got a sacrifice ratio. Now we have to calculate, we got sacrifice ratio. Okay, the second calculation that you need to do is new profit sharing ratio. Now we have old ratio with us and we also have sacrifice ratio. So we can use this formula. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Okay, now who are the old partners? Rahul and Nihal. Rahul and Nihal. What is the old ratio of Rahul? Here 7, right? So 7 upon 12. You have to add this 7 plus 5, 12. So write it in the denominator. 7 will come on the numerator. So 7 upon 12 minus sacrifice ratio of Rahul is how much? Here 1 upon 12. 1 upon 12. Now when the denominator is same, you can directly in fact write this in this way, 7 minus 1. Okay, so that will be 6 upon 12. Now we'll do it for Nihal. Old ratio of Nihal is 5. So 5 upon 12 minus the sacrifice ratio of Nihal, that is 1 upon 24. 1 upon 24. Here the denominator is not same. In order to minus this, you have to first make the denominator same. So if I multiply here with 2, my denominator will come equal. So I can write this as 5 2s are 10 minus 1 and divide by 24. 10 minus 1, 9 upon 24. Okay, now Rahul's new profit sharing ratio is 6 upon 12 and Nihal's new profit sharing ratio is 9 upon 24. Now the denominator is not same. Whenever you are calculating a new profit sharing ratio, you need to see that the denominator is same. Here the denominator is not same. So if I multiply here with 2, the denominator will become same of Rahul's denominator will be same as Nihal's denominator. So 6 into 2, 12 upon 24. So now it is same. The denominator of both the partners, old partners, is same, 24 and 24. Okay. Now you have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the new partner, Sahil. Okay. You can either calculate it in this way, 1 upon 8. What is the share of a new partner? Share of a new partner is 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 8, you have to make the denominator same as I told you for all the three partners. What number if I multiply with 8 will give me 24? 3. So multiply with 3, multiply with 3. So 3 ones are 3, 8 threes are 24. So now the new profit sharing ratio of all three partners are 12:9:3. You can use it this way, or else to calculate this you can even calculate in this way. Take the denominator. In this case the denominator should same. Out of 24 shares, 12 shares are given to Rahul and 9 parts of the total 24 parts are given to Nihal. So how much is remaining? It will be 3. Okay, so you can calculate this last step either by this method or by this method. Any which way you will get 3 shares only, 3 parts only. So this is one way how we can calculate the sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. In this case we have not calculated the sacrifice ratio because here it is directly given to us that they admitted Sahil, that is the new partner, for 1 upon 8 share which he obtains 1 upon 12 from Rahul and 1 upon 24 from Nihal. So here directly after this fraction from word is given. So whenever you are getting this from word, that this fraction is directly your sacrifice ratio of old partner. You don't need to calculate it again as a sacrifice ratio. This is directly the sacrifice ratio of old partner. So directly you need to calculate the next step, that is new profit sharing ratio. Okay, moving on to the next problem. Okay, now here what is given? Mohan and Rohan are partners sharing profits and loss in the ratio 4:3. Now 4:3 is the old ratio of Mohan and Rohan. So we will write the details first, what is given to us in the question. They had given us old ratio of Mohan and Rohan, that is 4:3. That means 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Then what else is given? They admitted Tony into firm. That means Tony is a new partner now. Mohan contributed 1 upon 3 of his share and this is Rohan. And Rohan contributed 1 upon 6 of his share to Tony towards his share in future profits. Now in this problem they have not told us what is the future share of Tony, what is the new partner's share, that is not told to us. Instead what they told, Mohan contributed 1 upon 3 share to give it to the new partner and Mohan contributed 1 upon 6 share to give it to the new partner. Okay, so this we can write as share sacrificed by old partner is equal to 1 upon 3 by Mohan and 1 upon 6 by Rohan. Okay, Mohan gave 1 upon 3 and Rohan gave 1 upon 6. In order to give the share to the new partner that they have admitted in the business. So now when only these two information is given, okay, how we can calculate sacrifice ratio and how we can calculate new profit sharing ratio. Now in the last case I have told you, whenever the share sacrificed by the partner is given to us in the question, we can directly take that as sacrifice ratio, but on what basis? Only when that from word is given soon after the fraction. But here what word is used? They have used from, instead of from they have used of word. So whenever this of word is given, that means this is not the sacrifice ratio. You have to use some formula and you have to calculate the sacrifice ratio first, and then you can calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, I am repeating it again. What is given here? Mohan contributed 1/3 of his share and Rohan contributed 1/6 of his share to give it to Tony. Tony is a new partner. So in order to give the share in the future profits to the new partner, that is Tony, Mohan contributed 1/3. That means Mohan surrendered 1/3 of his share, and Rohan surrendered 1/6 of his share. So whenever after the fraction this of word is used, that means you have to calculate the sacrifice ratio. Directly you cannot take this as your sacrifice ratio like how we have done for the last problem. If from word was given, then we could have taken, but here of word is given. So it creates a different meaning to it. Okay, so I am writing it over here. Here it is written what word? Of word. So we are going to use this new formula here, and this formula you are going to use when the fractions are given and after that fraction 2 word is given. So old ratio multiplied with share sacrificed by old partner. This formula we are going to use to calculate the sacrifice ratio first. So I'll write the ratio first. First step is to calculate sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio. We have old ratio with us here, multiplied by share sacrificed by old partner. We don't have any other information. We have only these two information. So I am multiplying old ratio with the sacrifice done by the old partner. With this I will get my sacrifice ratio. Okay. So I will write the name of the partner, Mohan and Rohan. These are the old partners. Okay. Old ratio of Mohan is 4/7 multiplied with share sacrificed by old partner. How much share is sacrificed by Mohan? 1/3. Okay. Then we'll write for Rohan also. What is the old ratio of Rohan? 3/7. Okay. 3/7 multiply by share sacrificed by old partner. Share sacrificed by old partner, that is 1/6. When multiply is written, you can multiply numerator with another numerator, denominator with another denominator. But whenever there is a plus or minus sign, you have to see that the denominator are equal or not. Are they same or not? Otherwise, if it is not same, then you have to make it same. I have already shown you in the previous 3 problems how to do that. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 7 threes are 21, 3 ones are 3, 7 6 are 42. Okay, so we will keep this as it is. We make the denominator same only when it is a new profit sharing ratio. Okay, we will keep this sacrifice ratio as it is over here. Now, the next step is to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Now, we have with us old ratio. We also have now sacrifice ratio. Okay, so old ratio minus sacrifice ratio will give us new profit sharing ratio. Okay, then let's calculate for Mohan and Rohan first. What is the old ratio of Mohan? 4/7. 4/7 minus sacrifice ratio. How much we got now? Mohan sacrifice ratio 4/21. So 4/21. Okay. Similarly, we'll write for Rohan first. Old ratio 3/7. And sacrifice ratio of Rohan is 3/42. This we'll write, not this one. We cannot write this one. We have to write this one. Okay, 3/42. Now, since here there is minus sign and since the denominator are not same, we have to make them equal. So if I multiply 7 with 3, I will get 21. So if here I am multiplying with 3, then for the numerator also in the same side I have to multiply with 3. Okay. So this I can write as 12, 4 3s are 12 minus 4 upon 7 3s are 21, and this is also 21. So 21 we can write it only once since it is equal now. Okay. Here also it is not same. So what number if I multiply with 7, that will give me 42? 6. If you don't know how to find out, 42 divide by 7 you will get the number. Okay. So if I multiply with 6, I will get 42. So 6 3s are 18 minus 3 upon 42. This will also become 42. So 42. Okay. Now what we have to do? 12 minus 4 is 8 upon 21, and 18 minus 3 is 15 upon 42. Now is the denominator of Mohan's new profit sharing ratio is same as Rohan's new profit sharing ratio? No. So when the denominator of the partners is not same, when we are calculating the new profit sharing ratio, then we have to make it same first. We have to make it equal first. So if I multiply 21 with 2, I will get 42. So if here I am denominator, if I am multiplying with 2, then the numerator also I have to multiply with 2, is equal to 8 2s are 16, and 21 into 2 comes to 42. This now is equal with this. I'm using this step only to make the denominator same of both the partners. So now the denominator of Mohan is same with the denominator of Rohan. Okay. Now we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Tony. Now there are two methods in this. In the question, they have not given us what is the share of Tony, how much Tony will get in future. That is not given to us in the question. But what they told, how much Mohan is surrendering his share to give it to the new partner and how much Rohan is surrendering his share. Mohan kitlo share surrender करता to give to the new partner and Rohan kitlo share surrender करता है दिला. Okay. So if we add both of this sacrifice ratio, we should get the share of a new partner, that is Tony. So what I will do, I will take 4 upon 21, that is the share that is been sacrificed by Mohan. I will add with the share sacrificed by Rohan, that is 3 upon 42. Same thing, since the denominator are not same here, I have to make it same. So if I multiply with 2, I will get 42. 21 into 2 comes to 42. If the denominator I am multiplying with 2, then the numerator should also be multiplied with 2. So now this is equal, so 42, 4 2s are 8, plus, you will continue this sign, plus is written, so I am writing here plus 3. So 8 plus 3, 11 upon 42. Okay, so what is the new profit sharing ratio of the three partners now? That is Mohan, Rohan and Tony is 16. 16 is to 15 is to 11. We cannot cancel this further, so I will leave it as it is. Okay, the total of all these three should come to 42. That's why we are making the denominator same. Okay, now if you don't want to follow this step, we have also another option which I have already explained you in the previous problem. What is the denominator that we have got for Mohan and Rohan? 42. So out of 42 parts, 16 parts are given to Mohan, then 15 parts are given to Rohan. So what is the balance? How many parts are remaining now after minusing 16 and 15 from 42? You will get balance as 11, which is same as how we got over here using this method. Okay, if you are finding this easy, you please go for this. If you are finding this easy, you please go for this method. Okay, so as far as sacrifice ratio and profit sharing ratio problems are concerned, I have taken majority of the problems okay, that can be asked for you all in the Goa board exam. Okay, so I hope the problems are clear to you all. If you all have any difficulty, you please try to contact me. Thank you, students.